Mastering, proceeding, enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, your go-to place for polishing your English. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of the word proceeding. If you've heard it in legal dramas, business meetings, or general English conversations and wondered about its context, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll be using proceeding like a pro. The word proceeding stems from the verb proceed, which means to begin or continue a course of action. When turned into a noun, proceeding can refer to an event or a sequence of activities. It's commonly used in a legal or formal context. For instance, in a courtroom, you'll hear about legal proceedings, which are the steps in a legal action from the first statement to the final judgment. But that's not all. Proceeding can also appear in less formal settings. For example, when we talk about events, such as academic conferences or public ceremonies, we may refer to the activities happening there as proceedings. Interestingly, proceeding isn't confined to describing events. It can also mean the published record of a conference or symposium, often detailed in a book or a journal. Academics might say, the proceedings of the conference will be available in December. Moreover, proceeding can be used in a broader sense to talk about any action that is happening or going forward. So, when someone asks about what's happening at a gathering, telling them about the proceedings covers all the activities or discussions taking place. Let's look at proceeding in action. I'll give you some sentences, and let's analyze them together. The court proceedings were televised for the public to watch. The conference is going well, and the proceedings will be documented in our annual journal. Please be seated and quiet as the proceedings are about to begin. In each case, proceeding is associated with the unfolding of events in a sequential and official manner. Some learners confuse proceeding with proceeds, which refers to money obtained from an event or action. Remember, proceeding is about actions or events, not money. Another common mistake is using proceeding instead of proceeding. Proceeding means something that came before something else, not something that is currently happening or continuing. There you have it, a clear understanding of the word proceeding and how to use it in various contexts. I hope this video has been insightful and that you feel more confident in incorporating this word into your vocabulary. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to go back and review any section you need clarity on. Until next time, happy learning, and keep proceeding forward with your English skills.